Right, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I was doing kind of just like a little midweek analysis. Today is obviously Thursday, 17th of April, which I just wanted to actually just dive into the charts because I've been seeing a little bit of movement creep in within US100 and US30. So I actually just want to give you guys just a little bit of an update. Um, so currently now, um, okay, let's go onto data. So obviously downtrend movement, we've been seeing price move as is. I have been actually eyeing out US US100 NASDAQ. So I want to actually add in place in this area right here where we've been seeing a lot of support, resistance being rejected in the chart. So as you can see, this level is very crucial because we're actually seeing first touch, second touch. We could be price that failed to actually complete maybe like a third touch, but this was actually evident based on that, showing that this is a clear resistance on kind of just like the overall downtrend. We were expecting kind of just like upward momentum actually pushing up to the upside, which I am still kind of strong on that, given based on kind of just like the economic change based on tariff rates. But I think China, the issue with what's happening with China and the US and the tariff wars that are happening as we speak is kind of just interfering with a lot of just like the progress in seeing NASDAQ kind of reach um, going back to the higher levels that we've been witnessing last year. So as you can see on the 4 hour, we are seeing that based on this W pattern that's formed, price continuously keeps rejecting the support level, another support level around this area. So we could potentially kind of see a bit of ranging within the zone. Today we are expecting Netflix earnings after the bell close on the New York Stock Exchange session. So we could possibly, maybe if price does break through and we see a really long bearish candlestick around this level, we could potentially drop again to lower lows. So meaning um, right here as is, price around here, this level here, until we reach this Boyle's weekly level, which is around 16,900. So we'll see how things actually perform and play out overall. Just finish this. This was kind of just like an information. It's kind of like a little bit of an information play out. So if we do kind of just see a close below, like a full bearish candlestick close below this level, if we just zoom out actually on the daily, let me just delete this pathway here. We get like a really strong closure in terms of full bearish candlestick closing below around possibly 19,200, 200, 250, but around this level here. Then we will be seeing NASDAQ drop as well with US30. Seeing pretty much the same thing. Pretty much exactly the same. Exactly playing out exactly how everything's actually formulating here. So Yeah. So we could possibly see it range. If it does actually range within the zone, then we could possibly be expecting higher end. So what I'm looking at currently right now is so from here uh, straight breakthrough to the upside. So yeah, we'll see on how actually things play out. I am still holding this XRP trade, which is right here, which I'm kind of just expecting also for it to actually push up to the upside, as you can see on the 1 hour time frame. So really kind of just respecting this low, which I highlighted and shared on Monday. So yeah, let's just see on how things actually play out overall. The Netflix earnings could really just boost things up as well too, and in correlation with all the tariff wars that are happening. If Trump does reach a solid agreement with China, and it's very much so lucrative in the sense of actually growing the economy, then you can be able to see all growth uh, in the long run. But yeah, hope this video was kind of just like informative in a way and just helping to just want to do like a quick rough weekly analysis just to actually just show you on what I'm seeing within the markets. But yeah, for this week, and then in closer to this week, because tomorrow will be obviously the last day in trading. Just keep an eye out on NASDAQ, US30, and XRP. And yeah, this is educational content, not financial advice. So please do um, enter at your own risk as well too. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.